It's been a long time since I've seen a face like that. She's real pretty, man.
Yeah. We're supposed to get married when I get back. I know I talk a big game about ladies, Tom,
listen,
but
and listen good. I need you men focused on the here and now. We are all that stands between the Japanese and our brand new airfield. Our patrols have been running into increasing resistance, and we believe the attack will occur tonight right here.
Man, I hope he's wrong.
Now, all of you have brothers that are now dead. It will all be in vain if we lose Henderson. We will hold the line or die trying.
here they come!
Ceasefire! Think that's the end of it?
You okay, man?
Yeah, fine.
Don't scare me like that, Tommy. Careful, Tommy. We gotta get back up to the ridge.